everybody, welcome to CreArtive by Nature, Art and Life. Today I have got a Dollar Tree haul for you all, so let's get into it. Okay, first up, I got 3 of these black baskets. They're wire mesh baskets. They've had these before, but these ones don't have the handle anymore, which is awesome because I have got a tutorial on how I make a hanging basket, a 3-tier hanging basket using their plant hanger. So I'm going to link that video down below. It is using the ones that have got the hanger, but it'll still be the same idea. So if you're at all interested, then do check that video out. Again, I'll have that listed down in my description box below. Okay, so these are new. They are clear containers. They are plastic. These ones are put out by Craft Medley. I'm not sure if the States has these or not. Canada gets a lot of the Craft Medley products here in Dollar Tree. So I got 2 different sizes. I can't remember if they had another size or not. Anyways, these are great. They're lightweight, so they work well if you've got heavier items. Just grabbed these ones to try out to see how they will work, and yeah, I like them, so I'm going to definitely get more. So I have not been to Dollar Tree a whole lot, and I was hoping to find some of the gnome items in the Valentine's section, and you guys, I was blown away at how little was left. And it was a month, well, yeah, a month before Valentine's, so yeah, I don't know. I think people are just craving celebration, and so maybe that's why all that stuff went so quickly. But I did find one lonely wreath form in the heart shape. I think I'm just going to tuck this away for next year. And then I found these heart doilies, and these could be used any time of year. I actually have one idea in mind that I want to try out with these, but I have to experiment and see how they will work. So yeah, I got those 2. They didn't have a whole lot in their St. Patrick's Day section. I'm hoping that they get more because, again, I've seen some things where they've got some gnomes, so we'll see. I'm trying to be very, very careful with what I buy too. I really need to use my stash, as I'm sure everyone else does too. But I found these cute socks. They've got llamas. Now, I would usually make gnomes out of things like this, but I don't know. I think I might wear them for St. Patrick's Day. Our family does do a little something for St. Patrick's Day just because it's fun. We make some yummy food and just hang out, and yeah. Anyway, so we'll see. I'm not sure. I might use these for crafting, or I might wear them. I haven't decided yet. And then I found these beautiful candles. Now, I'm not a huge fan of scented candles. These ones I didn't mind, but my daughter really likes these. So I had a couple of ideas of what I want to do with them. I'm not sure what direction I'm going to go with these as of yet, but yeah, what I might do is actually get 2 more in the same scents, and then I've got 4 to play with. And like I said, my daughter likes these, so yeah, we'll see. Anyways, Mermaid, Reef, and Copper Sands. So I needed to stock up on some chopping mats. I've been using them a lot lately. I love using these for crafting. I do, and I know I'm not the only one. I also wanted to try a project out with these. Yeah, we'll see how it works. I have to play around again and experiment, but if it works, I'll definitely be sharing that with you. So a few other things that I picked up from the kitchen area were these mesh strainers. These will go in the sink drains, I believe. Yeah, so I got a couple of these. Really excited to play around with these and show you what I have in mind for those. And then I found this splatter screen. I'm going to see if this handle, like the black part, is removable. Probably could break it off. I'm not sure, but yeah, anyways, I'm hoping, because I'm not crazy about that plastic handle. We'll see. I know there's so many projects out there though using these splatter screens, but yeah, I'm excited to play around with that. And then I found this butter dish. I don't know. I kind of like the shape of it. I thought I'm going to see what I can do with this. But these projects will all be over on my DIY and decor channel. It is always linked down in my description box. So I got a glass cylinder vase. I have several, but I wanted to make something using this and then perhaps use it as a gift. So I wanted just another one for my stash. And then I got these glass little bowls. And you guys, these are awesome. I actually had bought some before to use in a project, but I ended up using them in the kitchen because we use these all the time. They are awesome. I love them. They're just the little clear glass bowls. But I got another pack of 4 because I am determined to do that project. So again, that will be over on my DIY and decor channel. So Dollar Tree has had this vinyl in their store for quite a while. And I have seen a few people doing some projects with this one, and I really love how that's turned out. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to break down and finally get it. I've eyed it for so long that I decided I'm just going to go for it and play around with it and see what I can do. They're starting to get more and more of the Crafter Square brand at my Dollar Tree, and I wanted to stock up on some Jute Twine. This one's nice because it's thicker. I usually get my twine in their hardware section, but it's a thinner twine, and I actually use quite a bit of the thicker. So I grabbed this. They had it in stock. I thought then I've got it in my stash. They had this beautiful vase filler. Isn't that pretty? I love that. I thought that might be fun to use in some shakers. We'll see. I'm not sure. Haven't decided. I just grabbed them because I thought they were so pretty. Okay, so Dollar Tree has had these from year to year to year, and I've never got them. I'm not crazy that the words on here are raised, but I thought, you know what, that's okay. I can still make these work. I got 2, and I have a project in mind for at least one of these. It'll probably be more spring or summer. And then I got these 3 gnomes. And I thought they were cute. They, again, have carried these for a while. I got the 3 different styles that they had. So I can't wait to play around with those guys. And then lastly, I got this laundry basket. I saw it. I've been seeing it for a little while. And I'm like, I can do something with this. I know I can. It's going to be a bigger project. So I'm going to just continue to gather some of the supplies that I need. I think I have enough. I'm not sure. I have to check my stash, but stay tuned for that again over on my DIY channel. So let me know any of the fun new things that you found. My store was just starting to roll some new things out. They were in the midst of reorganizing the store, so I am going to go in again. I have to go in to get some things for my daughter. So stay tuned. I want to thank you all so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.